The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a blizzard warning for all of northeast Illinois and all of northwest Indiana until 11 o'clock p.m. A strong winter storm system will arrive by evening. High accumulations combined with winds up to 35 miles per hour will create blizzard conditions. A blizzard is expected soon with visibilities getting down to around or less than a fourth of a mile. Do not travel unless it is an absolute emergency. Also, make sure you have enough food and water. If you become engaged in an emergency, do not panic. Just call 911 for emergency services and help.